no flow on your Hayward Aqua Rite. Here we have a Hayward Aqua Rite. Shows no flow, and this has been running for 24 hours. Make sure that it's hooked up. No, take it out. It's like a flow. It's like the old phone lines. Make sure that's in. Make sure it's in the right direction. Make sure that's flowing good. Like if you have to do a backwash or clean your filters. If you think it has a good flow, but on your salt system has no flow, this is what you do. We're gonna figure out if it's the board in here or it's the switch. So what you're gonna do is, it's an auto. So if we do off, it's not gonna show up. So we're gonna keep it in auto, okay? Disconnect your flow switch. Grab yourself a slotted screwdriver. And inside, we're gonna go on this side. There's two little prongs. You might have to move it around a bit, but what you want is, so you want to face it this way. So we're trying to look for, move it around. And as soon as it starts flashing, we know we got it connected. Okay, we got to connect. Oh, come on. So hold, as soon as it starts flashing, hold it there. Okay, you want to hold. Sometimes it's a little tricky. It goes away. If you move it at all, it's going to go back to solid red. There you go. Just switched over, and if I let go, see I'm holding it, and it's good. So if I let go, went right back to no flow. So we got to change the flow switch. Now all your information's right on here. So you just look online. I'll link this down below to get one of these, okay, for the Aqua Rite. Now if you do this and you hold it on there and it just flash, just keeps on flashing for the longest time, you can't get it. You might have to replace the circuit board. But most of the time, 99% of the time, if you do this, it's gonna work. But you gotta have patience though. You gotta hold the screwdriver underneath there, and it might blink for a long time, but you gotta hold it there. And I do get comments about that, where it's flashing forever. I don't think people have the patience for it, but have patience for it. Wait until it clicks over, where it goes away, and then it says generating. That's how you figure out if it's the flow switch or the circuit board. How to replace a flow switch. So we got our new flow switch. So what we're going to do is I'm going to unplug this. And we're going to, the light's still on there, the no flow. Okay, just to show you, here's the new one. I'm going to plug it in. Push this together. There's that light. That's what we want, flashing, because we tested it with a screwdriver, and it should go to green. If it was on, it should go off. There you go. That took a little while, but that was the problem. We're going to turn off the pump. Okay, we're going to just turn the system off. We're going to do this. Just counterclockwise to take it off. And unscrew that. Out of the way. Put the new one in. Now for the new one, there should have Teflon tape already. But then, now there's arrows on it, and you want the flow of the water. So the arrows are going that way. See the arrow? So we want it, the flow is going that way. So you want to tighten that. You don't want to over tighten it. Maybe go one more time, just snug. We're gonna go. There's the arrow. Right there. Okay, we're going to turn the pump back on. We're going to plug this in. Turn it to auto. And there it goes off. And for this, we're going to reset this. I don't know if it's 2900 because we just turned it on. So what we're going to do is we're going to test the water for now. We're going to turn that off. Check salt reset. If your Hayward Aqua Rite is flashing in inspect cell, this is how you clear it. This little black button right here, press and hold. That's how you clear it. Now this is going to come on about every 3 months. It's just kind of telling you, hey, you should clean your salt cell. So if you want to learn how to clean the salt cell, I'll link it right above, right here. How to recalibrate your Hayward salt system. Before you recalibrate your Hayward Aqua Rite, you want to test the water. So this tester here, I'll link down below, or one similar to it. We just want to get the parts per million. We just added some salt, so we wanted over 3,000 parts per million. So we just added some bags into this pool. Pretty big pool. So whatever your system says, don't always go by that. Like it was flashing earlier, it said inspect cell, check salt. So a lot of people will add salt. So it showed 2,000 on there, and we were getting about 2,800 parts per million. So there's a possibility that you could put too much salt in it. Anything below 3,000, those lights are going to come on. The salt cell's not going to work. So we're going to trick it. We know we put salt in it, so I want to go above 3,000 parts per million. Right now it's 2,800. I know it's going to go above that, but right now I just want it to work. So we're going to set it about 3,200 parts per million. Whatever you had on this, I'll show you how to recalibrate it on this. So the first thing you want to do is you want to turn this to like a -0. It's 5 over. See, -0. Go to auto. So what it's going to do is it's going to click in and it's going to go up. It's going to go minus, like say 5,000 or whatever. And as it's going down, you want to go to up to superchlorinate and then down to auto where you want to set. So we're going to go up, down. So I wanted around 3,200. Sometimes it takes a while to calibrate. See, 32. So we're going to show that again. So you're going to go over to the minus. Well, that should click over. If we go to 0, there you go. So -0, go to auto, and then up to superchlorinate and down to auto, right where you want it to be set. As it's going down, up, down. There you go. That's how you calibrate a Hayward Aqua Rite.